Good morning, everyone. My last couple videos were on marketing and how to start a side hustle and talking about Google listings and how to be found on Google. But if you search down to my previous videos, a lot of them are on the Optima steamer, and I really love that machine. But when I first bought it, I didn't have a clue how to use it. But I thought to myself, well, maybe I can just teach myself since I used the Vapor Rhino machine. I love that machine, but it just wasn't enough power for me, and it always ran out of water. Even though it's refillable, it's not the best machine for the kind of work I want to do. So a couple years ago, I started this group. It was called Optima Steamer How To Tips and Tricks, and I got about 1,000 people in the group. Most of them are overseas, but a lot of them are in the United States. And I met a lot of good detailers and asked me a lot of questions on the machine, and it really helps people. But I got to myself, thinking to myself, well, I need to start making some YouTube videos on that instead of putting them all on Facebook, because a lot of people go out and spend $7,000-8,000 on the machine, and then it sits in the garage or they sits in the back of the shop because they feel like it doesn't have enough power to do what they want to do, or they just don't think about how they can implement the Optima steamer in their business. But I learned really quick on how to use a machine. It can remove window tint, it can remove decals, you can use it for carpet extraction, you can use it to clean the wheels, you can use it to it's trying hard to think about all these things now. You can use it to clean the wheels, you can clean cup holders, it can remove wax, it can do just about anything. So in the upcoming weeks, I'm hoping to make some really professional videos on how to use a machine, so that way you get the full benefit of it. And I'll show you a couple previews of my group and some of the other videos that I did in the past, so that way you get an idea on how great this Optima steamer is. Quick, so it's best if you have two people, but if you don't have two people, you can do it with one person. So